So when you have, do you have a lot of cases, I'm guessing, that are difficult for people or people to understand, I guess? Do you have to really explain this? Because when you get arrested, you know, you see it on TV, you get arrested, you get your rights read, and then you get to a room and you're questioned, maybe?
That's right. So one of the best parts of going to hire a lawyer or speaking to a lawyer about your case is you'll get time with that lawyer. Generally, you're going to talk to him for at least an hour at the very first meeting. And when you're able to explain the facts and what's gone on, the lawyer should be able to put it in terms that you'll be able to understand. You should know when you leave that meeting, this is what my case looks like, these are the strengths, these are the weaknesses, this is the way that it's going to be handled, and so you get so much more clarity, and generally people feel much better after that process.
And you know, one of the things is, you said when the cops come question you, there's 3 things you can do when the cops come question you. 1, you could talk to the cops, which I don't suggest. 2, you could say you don't want to talk to them. If you say that you don't want to talk to them, then they can come back later and talk to you and see if you're ready to talk again. Or 3, you could ask to talk to a lawyer first. At that point, they cannot come talk to you until you have a lawyer present. So number 3 is always, I believe, the best option. Would you agree with that, John?
You do have the right to remain silent, and it is one of the least used rights. People don't understand that they're not obligated to do that, and they should, and you do not have to speak with the police officer.